If there is no feeling of longing, girls will not fall in love with you, bro. This applies to those of you who are still approaching, or already a partner. When a girl misses you, she will always think of you. She can't wait for it. See you again, and want to chat soon. Longing is what makes love in his heart grow. The greater it is. I have tips to make a girl miss you all the time. First, create distance. When you like a girl, maybe you want to always be by his side. Meet up every day, chatting continuously, from morning to night. Even though it can make you bored, bro, let her miss you. What you need to do is an occasional disappearance from his life. The trick is to limit the frequency you meet. This is connected with the second tip. That is, you need to have a hobby. And busy myself. Remember, you still need to upgrade yourself and chase your dreams. I can do it by studying and working hard. Exercise regularly, doing hobbies and learning new skills. It makes your time for girls less. And she will miss you. She came to his senses. If she's not a top priority, and that makes her want you more. So when you counting it is not made, not disappear because of drama, but it's really gone because you're struggling. Fight for the better. It's not possible for you to stand by video calls when you're working, believe, bro, or more hard training in the gym. Girls prefer guys who are busy than those who are unemployed without a job, always ready for a street call from waking up, overslept again. Tip 3: take time for your friends. Maintaining friendships is important. You can watch movies with them, exercise together, or just hang out together when your girl is aware. If you can have fun without her, she will miss you. She also appreciates the moments when you are together. Besides that, guys who have a positive circle of friends also a very plus value for girls than the guy who hangs out with the girl only. Keep going where the two don't want to be separated. Very possessive and needy. Believe you have a friend. Good circle of friends will make you cooler, bro. Greetings, high value man. Spirit.